discuss about that how to use Google Classroom in this lockdown period. So for using Google Classroom, first you need to go in the browser and you can type the Google Classroom. Then click on this link classroom.google.com. You will get page like this, in which suppose this is the sample class which I have generated. If you want to create, then you can create new class. Go to this page, this link. You can create a class name. Suppose you have created test section, maybe A. Subject you can write like XYZ, and you can write room number L22. Now here we have created this class as a test. This is creating. It is taking some time in the creation. Once it will be created, now you will get this class code. This is the class code. You can share this class code among your students, and whenever they will join, then it will look like this. This is already 6 classes which I have made. In this all the 6 classes there are different number of students. Suppose this is 55 students, 98, 52, 58, 31 and 67 students. And now you can easily track record of each individual student in each class. Now I am opening this subject class EHV, AC and DC. In this 31 students are there. Now you can track easily the record of the class. You can check the grades. These are the grades assigned to each student. You can track each individual student, that who has missed the assignment and who has submitted the assignment and how many marks he received in any particular quiz or assignment. In this, the quiz assignment, quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3, then online test 1, the quiz 4 and assignment 5. You can clearly see that this this is the list of students, and on the right hand side you are clearly able to see that how many marks he or she has received in a particular assignment. Now in the upcoming video, I will discuss that how to use this Google Classroom to share your assignment or the classwork, and how can we evaluate those assignment sheets using Google Classroom. Till then, stay connected with the channel and subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification about the latest video.